Dear students, welcome to the ESOL 095 Individualized Lab course. This video will show you how to get started using Blackboard and learning modules. When you open up Blackboard, you want to go to your course. You have a course list here, and you want to click on ESOL 095. When you open up, you see our course classwork page. Over on the left-hand side, you see a toolbar. It starts with announcements, getting started. If you click on each of these, it will open up, and for example, there will be the announcement. Always check announcements. This is where I will post important information. Under the Get Started button, it tells you how to begin. Follow the steps. It also gives you some activities with online vocabulary. If you click on it, the folder will open in a new window. And this tells you some of the vocabulary that we will be using in our online class. You have instructor information, the syllabus. The syllabus is very important. You may click on it to open it. I suggest that you print it out because our syllabus contains information about the course and information about the course schedule. And if you print it out, then you can see what kind of activities you need to do for each module. And you can put a little check mark when you have finished them. The My Grades will contain your grades. At the moment, we have no grades because we are just starting. The learning modules, this is where we will be working for most of the semester. Think of the learning modules as a chapter in a book. Each module is like a chapter. We start with Module 1. Don't go to Module 2 until you have finished Module 1. Notice that there are 9 modules in this course. So you click on it to open, and it opens up with a table of contents for the learning module. This is Learning Module 1. And the table of contents tells you the activities that you have to do for this learning module. You may wish to print out the table of contents so you can keep track of the activities that you need. The table of contents is also over here on the left-hand side. To go through the module, click on each item. Notice that for Module 1, we have 12 items. So that means there are 12 things for you to do. If you click on the syllabus will open. Here's the open syllabus, which we just saw right here. Blackboard Treasure Hunt. This is an assignment and to make sure that you understand how to use Blackboard. If you go to number 4, it says OK. Number 4, it says we're going to introduce yourself to the class, and to open it you can click here. And you have an introduction from me, and what you can do is create a thread, and you say, hello from Yvonne, maybe, whatever your name happens to be. And you can say, hello, classmates and teacher. I am happy to be in the class, etc. And then you will go on to tell us a little bit about yourself. Click on Submit when you are done, and then you have posted your introduction. So you will go through each activity until you get to the end. Notice that when you click on something, such as the blog, it comes up exactly as what you need. So here's it says click to launch, write an entry to the blog, 4 to 9 sentences. Why are you taking this course? What do you hope to learn? Have you ever studied online before? What was your experience like? So you're going to tell us a little bit about your learning experience using computers. Click to launch, and here are the questions again, and you will create your blog entry. Always give it a title. This little asterisk means that you have to give it a title, so you can say blog from Yvonne, and it's blog, not bog, and then you will type your message here and click on post. Now I'm going to delete it because we don't really have an Yvonne in the class, I don't think. And so I'm going to go back to the learning modules to see. I have all these tabs open. I'm going to go back to the learning modules. I know I haven't finished learning module 1, so I will go back there. And so I go down through each one. If you need to send me a message, if you have any questions, please use Messages under Communications. This is just like email. Create a message. Who do you want to send it to? That would be the to. Let's say you want to send it to me, and then you're going to add me to the recipients. We have an asterisk, so that means we need to have a subject. And let's say the subject is help. Dear Sarah, I have some questions. And you would then click on submit to send me this email. I would get the email and I would send it back to you. When you check your email on your Blackboard site, if you have a number here besides 0, that means you have messages to read. I have a 0 here because I have no messages. But if I had a message, there would be a 1 or a 2, however many messages I have. Now, the other important thing, going back to course content, is that you need to buy your Longman English Interactive. You should purchase this the first week of classes, which is January 28th. You can go to the website and you're going to use your access code and then enter your course ID. I hope that this small tutorial has been helpful to you and that we will enjoy working together this semester.